Good morning, students. See page number 128, question number 5. A truck starts from rest and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meter in 20 seconds. So find its acceleration and find the force acting on it if its mass is 7 metric tons. Okay. So here see, the truck starts from rest, therefore initial velocity of the truck will be 0 meter per second. Okay, again see, it travels a distance of 400 meter in 20 seconds, therefore time taken 20 seconds and distance covered 400 meter. Okay, this is given in your question. So here we will apply the second equation of motion, that is s equal to ut plus half of at square. So put the values of distance s, then ut, here u equal to 0, therefore the value of ut equal to also 0. Okay, and half of at square. Okay, half of a we have to find, and t here 20. So see this equation. By solving this equation, we got a equal to 2 meter per second square. Okay, so we got the acceleration. Now see, we have to find the acceleration. Okay, so we got it. Now see, find the force acting on it. So what is the formula of force? See, already discussed, F equal to m into a. F equal to m a. So m is the mass and a is the acceleration. Okay, so here mass is 7 metric ton, that is we have to convert it in kg, therefore 7 metric ton means 7 into 1000 kg, therefore 7000 kg. Okay, 7 metric ton means 7000 kg, therefore m equal to 7000 kg. Okay, so here you see F equal to 7000 into acceleration we got 2, therefore we got 14,000 Newton. The value of force equal to 14,000 Newton we got. Okay, now see the next question, question number 8. An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kg. What must be the force between the vehicle and road if the vehicle is to be stopped with a negative acceleration of 1.7 meter per second square? Okay, so here in question it is given, mass is given 1500 kg and acceleration is given with negative. Okay, negative acceleration of this, therefore a equal to minus 1.7 meter per second square. Now so we have to find what must be the force. We have to find the force. Okay, so we already knew force equal to mass into acceleration. So mass we got 1500 and acceleration is this, therefore put these values, we will get this one. Okay, so F equal to, we got minus 2250 Newton. Okay, just apply the formula F equal to m into a, and both mass and acceleration, the values of mass and acceleration is given in question. Okay.